Hello everyone, thank you for installing the POD app. This video is a training tutorial to ensure your success with the app. Once you install the app from the App Store, click the icon to get started. Upon opening the app, you'll come to this screen. You'll need to add the company supplied code to continue. You'll come to this screen next. It is where you enter all your personal information in order to create a profile. I'll be using temporary information for training purposes. In the first blank, enter your first name. The next blank, you will enter your last name. For your driver ID blank, if you have a driver ID, please enter it here. If you do not have a driver ID, please leave this blank. Next, you will enter the reporting email issued by the company. Next, you'll enter a Gmail ID, which is personal. If you do not have a Gmail ID, please continue and make a Gmail ID because no other email ID will work here. Once again, make sure that you have a Gmail ID because no other email ID will work here. Add in your Gmail ID's password in order to give your account access and click sign in to create your profile. Upon creating your profile, you'll come to the main screen of the app. Step 1 will be submitting your POD. Make sure you give the app access to your current location. Next, enter in your trip number and the trailer which you are currently going to be moving. In the sign by area, you will enter the name of whoever received and signed on the paperwork. Make sure you add the first name and the last name of the receiver. Next, you'll need to attach an image of your paperwork. Now, in order to do this, please click to add image and click camera. Give your camera access to the app by clicking OK. Now you'll come to this camera screen and your camera will be able to detect your paperwork. Your camera will be able to detect your paperwork once it is against a dark background. If it is too dark to detect the paperwork, there is a flash feature on your left bottom screen and you'll be able to see the paperwork. Once your paperwork is detected, you'll see this red screen. You are able to crop the image that the camera takes in order to get rid of any unwanted areas or for only submitting a specific area. Once you're done cropping, you can click done on your the right bottom side of your screen. If you want to send a text to the dispatcher, you can add it here. It is optional though. And click submit in order to send the paperwork. Once it's delivered, you'll get this message. You can click OK. And then click back, which is on the left top side of your screen. Now let's say that the receiver says that they did not receive your paperwork. You can go into your reports history to check if it has been sent. If your paperwork has been sent, you'll see that there's a blue bar on the side of your report. If it is a gray bar, that means that it was not sent due to lack of Wi-Fi or no network. Now, if no one receives it, you are able to resend it by clicking the resend button on the top right side of your report. Once it's resend, you'll get the message saying message delivered. If you do not have any Wi-Fi or network, the resend button will say unsynced and it will send once you do get Wi-Fi or network. Now you can click back in order to go back to the main screen. If you need to add another reporting email, you can click the three dots on the right top side of your screen, and you will click Edit Profile. You can click Add on the top right side of your screen in order to add another email. Click OK to add the email, and in order to save this, you need to click the check mark, which is also on the right top side of your screen. And this will bring you back to your main screen. This concludes our tutorial. Thank you for listening.